Okay, welcome to Introduction Java Programming by Daniel Yang, 8th edition. Chapter 3, Selections. Problem number 3. Write a program that uses Cramer's rule to solve the following linear equation. ax plus by equal e, cx plus dy equal f. So this is the equation where x is equal to e times d minus b times f over a times d minus b times c, and y is equal to af minus ec over ad minus bc. The program should prompt the user to enter the values of a, b, c, d, e, and f, and display the values of x and y. The condition: if a, d minus bc is equal to 0, the program should report that the equation has no solution. So ad minus bc, which is the denominator, if it's equal to 0, then this fraction has no solution. Alright, simple exercise. I'm going to start with importing java.util.scanner. Then declare a scanner reference. So scanner, name it input, equal new scanner system.in. After that, declare variables that correspond to a, b, c, d, e, and f. So I'll declare them as double variables: a, b, c, d, e, f. Let me comment this. Scanner reference that gathers input from the user. And in here, double values given by the user. Next, I'm gonna need variables which correspond to x and y, so I'll also have them as double x and y, and comment this as values of x and y. Next, alright, so the condition if whether ad minus bc is equal to 0 or not. So I'll declare a boolean variable here, call it is valid, and set this as a boolean variable which determines whether the program has a solution or not. Okay, so I'm done here. Now, I'm gonna start by prompting the user to enter the values. Okay, so print here, enter the values of a, b, c, d, e, and f. So I'm gonna need to read them as double. So a equal input dot next double, and just copy this like that. So command C, B, C, D, E, and F, and just change the names to B, C, D, E, and F. Next up, since now I have their values assigned. Next, I'm gonna determine whether the program has a solution or not. So I can set is valid to my condition. So AD minus BC. Let me just go up here, copy this, paste it in here, set this to A times D minus B times C equal to 0. So here is valid equal to the condition of whether A times D minus B times C is equal to 0 or not. If this is true, then is valid is true. If this is false, then is valid is false. Alright, hold on. I think that's a problem. If AD minus BC is equal to 0, the program should report that the equation has no solution. Alright, so this condition is not valid. I can change equal to not equal. This is one way. And another way is to add an exclamation mark prior to the condition. And this exclamation character represents not. So is valid is not equal to 0, or if AD minus BC is equal to 0, if this condition is true, then true with the exclamation mark results to false. So in that case, is valid is false. Otherwise, is valid is true. So go down here, displaying the result. So if is valid, I compute the values of x and y. So x is equal to, let me just copy this, paste it in here, times b times c, a times d, b times f, e times d. And y is equal to, also copy this, paste this here. So b times c, a times d, e times c, and a times f. Now I'm gonna just print their values. So starting with x, gonna add a tab character here. So escape character slash t, then double points followed by the value of x. Then here I should add a plus here. Then add a space break, so escape character n to start a new line. Then y, tab, double points, and print the value of y, like that. Now let me run it. So, I should add, let me just stop this, I should add an else block. So if the program is not valid, I just print here that the program has no solution. And not to forget, at the end I should close the scanner. So input dot close. Now let me run it. Enter the values. Okay, so I'm gonna make a valid condition, a valid program. So I'll just input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is it valid? Yes. X is equal to -4. Y is equal to 4.5. Now let me try and make the program invalid. So I'll try to make AD minus BC equal to 0. I can just assign them the values of 1s. So 1, 1, 1, 5, and 6, like that. The program has no solution. Alright, so the program works in both ways. And so like that, we would have written a program that uses Cramer's rule to solve a linear equation. Thank you.